Well, here we are. We're at Crowley Lake. Here's the view just outside of our camp. We're camping with friends who are hosting for Crowley Lake. Our friends Mike and Joan. Heavenly view. And Curtis and his sidekick Bodie are getting ready to fly a drone.
Yes, we are.
Pretty awesome. This glorious little stream is making its way down, 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 all the way to Crowley Lake, which you can see there. And behind Crowley Lake are the White Mountains. Today is a beautiful cloudy day. We've got 60-degree temperatures. Check out the sun behind the clouds, keeping us nice and cool. Pretty much like paradise here. It is paradise. So Curtis is getting ready to shoot the drone up in the sky. There's Bodie brother behind him. A little silver gray dog, a miniature version of my dog Rochelle. We left Rochelle at home because she's just not feeling like coming all the way out here today. Awesome sauce! I know, I just stole Oj's saying awesome sauce. I'm sure she won't mind. That's weird. I think my lens is dirty. Okay. Alright, I'll try that again. Ooh, that's weird. Oh, I'm recording! I don't know. I can't really see the drone, but it's up there and he's taking pictures. Oh, cool. Here she comes. Do you have a name for your drone?
No, I sure don't.
Where is she? Why can't I see her? She's right in front of me. Oh, there she is. Okay. She's a she, isn't she?
She is. All aircraft are she's.
Hi, Droney.
Yeah. That's cute. That's like something 𝐷𝐿𝐤𝐴 would say.
Hi. That's so
Going
cool.
up to max altitude.
Okay, cool. I love that cloud right there. It kind of looks like a square in the sky, a cube. Very cool.